Hiking. It's a word that evokes images of majestic mountains, lush forests, and crisp, clean air. But hiking in Dubai? That might seem like a contradiction. After all, Dubai is known for its towering skyscrapers, bustling city life, and yes, the desert. But don't let that fool you. Dubai's diverse landscape offers a surprising array of hiking trails that cater to all levels of adventurers, from seasoned trekkers to enthusiastic beginners. Many first-timers mistakenly think of hiking as just a long walk. They couldn't be more wrong. It's about connecting with nature. It's about pushing your limits. And in Dubai's unique environment, it's about experiencing the raw beauty of the desert landscape. But before you lace up your boots and head for the hills, it's important to remember that hiking, especially in a desert environment, is not just a walk in the park. It requires preparation, respect for the environment, and an understanding of the potential challenges you might face. This is not a casual stroll, it's an adventure. Preparation is key to a safe and enjoyable hike. First things first, check the weather. Dubai's desert climate means scorching sun and unexpected sandstorms. Never underestimate the heat. Always check the forecast and plan your hike accordingly. Early mornings or late afternoons are often the best times to avoid the intense midday sun. Next up, attire. Wear light, breathable clothing that covers your skin. Choose moisture-wicking fabrics to stay cool and comfortable. A wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses are essential for sun protection. And don't forget sturdy hiking shoes to navigate the uneven terrain. Packing the essentials is crucial. Water is your best friend in the desert. Carry plenty of it, more than you think you'll need. Pack energy bars, nuts, or dried fruits for sustained energy. A first aid kit, a whistle, and a map are non-negotiable. Remember, it's always better to be over-prepared than caught off guard. For novice hikers, especially in a terrain as unpredictable as Dubai's, hiring a certified guide can be invaluable. Guides offer local expertise, ensuring you navigate the trails safely and responsibly. They are familiar with the terrain, weather patterns, and potential hazards. A guide can make your first hiking experience not just safe, but also educational. A guide can enhance your understanding of the desert ecosystem. They can point out hidden oases, identify unique flora and fauna, and share their knowledge of the region's history and culture. This transforms your hike from a physical challenge into an enriching experience. Beyond safety and knowledge, guides often provide logistical support. They can help arrange transportation, recommend and book accommodations, and ensure you have the necessary permits for your hike. This is particularly helpful for first-time hikers who are unfamiliar with the area. One of the most rewarding aspects of hiking is the sense of community it fosters. Joining a hiking group can amplify this experience. It's a chance to connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for the outdoors. Group hikes offer a supportive environment, especially for beginners. Hiking with others provides a sense of security. There's always someone to watch your back, offer encouragement, and share the load. It's also a great way to learn from more experienced hikers. They can share tips on everything from pacing yourself to navigating challenging terrain. But the benefits of group hikes extend beyond the practical. Sharing the trail with others amplifies the joy of the experience. Conversations flow as easily as the sweat, and laughter echoes through the canyons. Bonds are forged over shared challenges and breathtaking views. There's something truly transformative about reaching the summit of a hike. As you stand there, catching your breath, the world stretches out before you in a panorama of breathtaking beauty. The sense of accomplishment washes over you, a tangible reward for your efforts. And in that moment, you realize that the journey is just as important as the destination. Hiking is not just about physical exertion, it's a mental and emotional journey as well. It's about pushing your boundaries, conquering your fears, and discovering a strength you never knew you possessed. It's about disconnecting from the digital world and reconnecting with nature, with yourself, and with the people around you. And as you make your way back down the trail, you carry with you more than just memories. You carry a renewed sense of self, a deeper appreciation for the natural world, and a heart full of gratitude for the journey. So, if you're looking for an adventure that goes beyond the ordinary, lace up your boots and explore the hidden trails of Dubai. Embrace the challenge, prepare yourself, and discover the unexpected beauty that lies beyond the city's shimmering facade. Remember, Hiking is more than just a walk. It's a journey of self-discovery, a celebration of nature's wonders, and an experience that will stay with you long after you've descended the last peak. Get out there, explore, and discover the transformative power of hiking.